Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crop window capture in OBS Studio. Let's get started. So first, open the OBS Studio and make sure you have a scene ready. At the bottom under Sources, click the plus button and select Window Capture. Click OK, then choose the window you want to record. Then once selected, click OK again. Now that your window capture is added, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the edges or corners. To crop the window, hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac. Then click and drag any edge or corner of the source. As you drag, you'll see parts of the window being cropped out. This allows you to remove anything you don't want showing. Then you can crop from any side, left, right, top, or bottom, until the window looks exactly how you want it. When you're done, simply release the Alt or Option key. Now your window capture is clean and focused. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.